You two.
There's no. They just back.
Scarface had been to the works to be mended. He felt depressed. Rusty the Diesel was helping him off his truck. Scarloey hadn't met the little diesel before. Rusty seems a kindly sort of engine, he thought to himself. I help to mend a line and do odd jobs, explained Rusty. I hear everyone is looking forward to seeing you again. Come on, eh? Peter Sam was feeling depressed. His fingers had never been the same since his accident with some trucks. He was still getting over his accident, but he wanted to start work again. The fat cunt wouldn't let him. Another day's rest will do you good, he said. Besides, I've got a surprise for you. For me, sir? How nice, sir. What is it, sir? Wait and see. 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 The surprise was Scarloey. Oh, said Peter Sam, I'm glad you've come home. They lit Scarloey's fire and he sizzled happily. Now, tell me all the news. I see you've met Rusty, said Peter Sam. Yes, I like that diesel. So do I, replied Peter Sam. It's a pity Duncan doesn't. Who is Duncan? He came all over after my accident, replied Peter Sam. Is he useful?
No.
He keeps busy and I'm sure he means well, but he's bouncy and rude. He sings and sways and swivels around. His driver calls it rock and roll. I understand, said Scarloey gravely. His driver interrupted. Duncan has done it again. He's stuck in a tunnel. Come on, old boy. We'll have to get him out. Quite soon they found Duncan. He was stuck at the far end of the tunnel, and he was very cross. I'm a plain blunt engine as speak as I find. Tunnels should be tunnels and not assholes. This railway is good. Don't be silly, snapped his driver. This tunnel is quite big enough for engines who can roll. It took some while to clear away the rocks and set Duncan free again. At last, Scarloey was able to take Duncan and his coaches safely from behind.
Oh, I don't like this.
Shuddered.
Duncan
Go it.
yelled. Scarloey
I'm coming.
Duncan sang all the way home, but Scarloey paid no attention. Later, the fat controller spoke severely to Duncan.
What's the fat controller complaining about this time? Asked Stevie.
Listen to me. There is nothing wrong with that tunnel. You stuck in it because you tried to do and roll. Tunnels are dance floors, and you are a pop star. The fat controller gave his full attention to Duncan.
Fuddy-duddy.
If it happens again, he ended, ominously. I shall find ways to cut you down to size. In other words, your career is on the line. Need I say more? Duncan thought the Fat Controller had said quite enough, and he remained completely silent and still for at least the whole evening.